Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Shri Bhakti Vedanta Swami Saraswati Deva Gauravani Prajayine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Vaskadya Deshitarine Namaste Saraswati Deva Gauravani Krishna
Шри Манха Шикша в Шила Рагунатха Даса Госвами. Translation. Srimad Shiksha of Srila Raghunath Dasa Goswami. O brother mind, taking hold of your feet, I pray to you with sweet words. Please give up all pride and develop unprecedented rati, love for Sri Gurudeva, Sri Vrajadama, the residents of Vraja, the Vishnavas, the Brahmanas, your Diksha mantras, Sri Harinama, and the shelter of Sri Sri Radha Krishna, the eternally youthful divine couple of Vraja. O mind, please do not perform dharma resulting in piety or adharma resulting in sin, as mentioned in the Shrutis or Vedas. Rather, you should render profuse loving service to Sri Sri Radha Krishna here in Vraja. Always remember Sri Sachinandana as non-different from Sri Nandanandana and Sri Gurudeva as most dear to Sri Mukunda. O mind, if you are eager to reside in Vraj filled with Ragatmika Bhakti, and if you desire the direct service of the youthful divine couple, Sri Sri Radha Krishna, then listen to me, birth after birth, always distinctly remember and bow down with great love to Sri Swarupa Damodara Goswami, Sri Rupa Goswami, and his elder brother Sri Sanatana Goswami, and all other associates who are recipients of Mahaprabhu's mercy. O mind, abandon the prostitute of mundane talk which plunders the entire treasure of pure wisdom, and certainly never listen to talk of mukti, which is a tigress that devours your very soul. Give up even the attachment to Lakshmapati, Sri Narayana, Lakshmipati, Sri Narayana, which leads to Vaikuntha, and in Vraja worship Sri Sri Radha Krishna, who bestow the precious jewel of sublime attachment to them. Lust, anger, and so on, the band of dacoits on the open road of material life, have bound my neck licentiously with the torturous, dreadful ropes of wicked deeds, and are thus killing me. O mind, speaking in this way, you must grievously cry out to the powerful and merciful protectors of the path leading to Sri Krishna, the killer of Bakasura. Hearing your pious cry, they shall surely protect you. O mind, why are you bathing in the trickling urine of the great donkey of full-blown deceit and hypocrisy, thereby burning yourself and me? Always bathe in the nectarian ocean of pure love, prema, for the lotus feet of Sri Sri Radha Giridhari, Sri Sri Radha Giridhari, and make yourself and me eternally happy. O mind, as long as the shameless outcast woman of the desire for prestige is dancing in my heart, how can pure transcendental prema touch it? Always serve the dear devotees of the Lord, who are the immeasurably powerful commanders of his army. They will at once banish this outcast woman and initiate the flow of prema in my heart. O mind, with humble, grief-stricken words, just worship Sri Giridhari Krishna in Vraja in such a way that, although I am corrupt, He will mercifully remove my wickedness, bestow the nectar of supremely radiant love, Ujjvala Prema, and confer upon me the inspiration to worship Gandharva Srimati Radhika. O mind, always remember Vrindavana Chandra Shri Krishna as the Lord of my Swamini Shri Radhika's life. Vrindavaneshwari Srimati Radhika as my mistress. Shri Lalita as her peerless friend. Shri Vishakha as the instructing guru. And Shri Radha Kunda and Giriraja Govardhana as those who grant darshana of Shri Shri Radha Krishna and bestow sublime attachment, rati, love for them. O mind, just worship Srimati Radhika, who inflames Rati, Gauri and Lila by the effulgent rays of her beauty, who vanishes Sri Sachi, Sri Lakshmi and Sri Satyabhama by the profusion of her good fortune, and who dissipates the pride of the chaste young girls of Raj, headed by Sri Chandravali. By her ability to bring Shri Krishna, by the ability of Srimati Radhika to bring Shri Krishna under her control. She is the most beloved of Shri Hari. Srimati Radhika is the most beloved of Shri Hari. O mind, in order to obtain direct service of Shri Shri Radha Giridhari, who are always entranced by amorous desire, and the service of Shri Rupa and their associates in Vraja, always doing the Panchamrita of Archana, Kirtana, Smarana, Shravana, and Pranama to them, and worship Shri Govardhana daily in accordance with the precepts of devotion. Anyone who, adopting the lineage of Shri Rupa and his followers, takes up residence in the forest of Gokula and loudly sings these 11 excellent instructions to the mind in a melodious voice with full understanding of their meaning, will certainly obtain the matchless gem of worshipping Shri Shri Radha Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Tja de Gayatri book. Tja his Holiness Satchidananda Swami. Tja his Gives Divine Grace Abhijana Ravinda Shila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. So I will try to read the book again because I have finished in my trial to read it, but I don't think I understood everything. So I will read it again. So, preface. Why this book? Why this book? A simple answer might be because it is needed. A more elaborate answer points at my own fascination and struggle with the subject. Let me explain. Throughout the years of my spiritual practice, I have felt a deep yearning gradually arising in my heart to understand and apply the teachings of our glorious Sampradaya. Once, sitting next to a god brother, while both of us were chanting our Diksha mantras, I noticed that he needed much more time to finish his Gayatri than I did. He also seemed to relish his practice to a degree I had neither seen nor myself felt. Being determined to discover his secret, I took him aside after he had finally come to the end of his mantras, and he mercifully told me many details about the Gayatri mantras. This information had simply been unknown to me before this conversation. But this incident awoke my eagerness to research this field. For a long time, I collected quotes and various other material about Gayatri, and gradually the world of the divine mantras began to reveal a few of its secrets to me. I also noticed, however, that the more I learned, the more obliged I felt to seriously apply the knowledge I had gained. I must admit that I was forced to learn to concentrate on my mantras the hard way by the path of mistake and correction. A time came in my life when my intense traveling schedule left me negligent toward chanting Gayatri at the proper times and placed or and at proper times and places, or with the proper pronunciation and meditation. Finally, one evening when I sat to meditate on my mantras, my mind overcome with the distraction. I realized sadly that the mantras had left me. Although I had always dutifully chanted them, I had done so without affection or taste, and they were simply gone. Yes, they were gone. In their place, I was left with the empty shells of the mantras. I felt like a hungry man holding empty empty nutshells, while watching others enjoy fresh nuts. Reform was inevitable. I studied my notes, prayed intensely, collected more material, practiced more seriously, and finally the mantras returned. Hesitatingly at first, like a person who has been hurt who watches from a distance before daring an approach. Eventually, they came closer. I'm still a bad chanter. Much in my practice can be improved. But at least I am confident that these wonderful mantras contain everything and that they will reveal more and more in the course of time. With great humility, I pray that my readers will find important jewels in this book. I also pray that those who have received the mantras can be saved from the same difficult experience I had to suffer. Some practical advice. This book is filled with information. You may find it difficult, therefore, to read the book straight through. I would suggest that after you have read one or two chapters, you revisit those parts of the book that attract your attention. To assist you in this, the appendix of this third edition contains an additional list of questions for each chapter that will help you identify some of the main points of the chapter. I also suggest that you don't try to apply everything at once. Rather, look for what is practical and helpful for your present stage and work toward applying that. Better yet, ask someone who knows you and whom you trust to advise you for help in applying the principles taught in this book. Last but not least, I wish to say that I would be audacious of me to claim authorship of this book. At best, I am a faithful collector of divine information. May the kind readers derive pleasure and inspiration from this book, from this work, and bless me from their hearts. Om Tat Sat. Satchidananda Swami, September 2014. So I will continue the next time with the next part, introduction, need for a guide. Jai, the Gayatri book. Jai His Holiness Satchidananda Swami. Jai His Divine Grace, Bhajana Ravinda Shila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare Rama Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Krishna Hare Jai, the book Vedic Wisdom Tales. Jai, the author, His Divine Grace Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura Prabhupada. Jai Shri Prem Prajna Prabhu Maharaj, who had translated this book for the first time in English with explanations. Jai Shri Narayana Maharaj, Jai Shri Guru Govinda Maharaj, Jai Bhaktivedanta Naim Maharaj, Jai Bhagavata Maharaj, Jai Ruknisuttam Maharaj, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Dvaita Gadadhara Shivasati Gaura Bhakta Vrindavan Chakapatri Pricha Kripa Prayocha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. I forgot to say it before that. Namo Vishnu Padaya Gopita. Okay, I will try to read now from this book for some time. Maharaja Bali. King Bali, the illustrious grandson of Prahlad, was performing an Advameta Yagya sacrifice on the northern bank of the Narmada river at a place named Brigukacha. Brahmanas of the Brigu lineage were officiating this grand ceremony. Lord Vamana came to the arena of that very sacrifice. The Brahmanas and King Bali welcomed Lord Vamana with great reverence. King Bali offered him a seat, washed his lotus feet, and worshipped him by offering various paraphernalia. The water that cleanses the lotus feet of the Lord is supremely auspicious. It washes away all the sins and sufferings of the living beings. The best of the demigods, Lord Shankar, whose crest is decorated by the moon, always bears this water, Gangas, upon his head with the utmost devotion. Today, the sacred water was attained by King Bali, who knew its nectarian essence. With great love, he kept it upon his head. Glorifying Vamanadeva, King Bali said, "Your arrival is most auspicious. I bow down to you. Please command me. How may I serve you? Your presence in my abode has satisfied my forefathers. My dynasty has become sanctified today. You hold a begging bowl in your hand, so it seems that you desire something. You can ask me for whatever you desire." So I will continue to read the next time about. You all know this story from Srimad Bhagavatam, but it's still beautiful to read it again from a book from His Divine Grace. Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura, Prabhupada, the Diksha Guru of His Divine Grace, Bhacharana Vrinda Shiva, Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. Jai, the book Vedic Wisdom Tales. Jai, His Divine Grace, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakura, Prabhupada. Jai, Shri Prabhupada Prabhupada. Jai. Шила Горговинда Махарадж, Jai Нарайана Махарадж, Jai Bhaktivedanta Maharaj, Jai Bhagavatam Maharaj, Jai Divine Grace Bhacharana Ravinda Shila Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Dvaita Gadadhara Shiva Sati Guruvata Vancha Kalpatarupcha Kripascha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnave Namo. Hare Kapatır bıçak. Basın kapıya bıçak dediğin bir narek. Moon